I have explained you about borrowed fund. Borrowed fund is that amount which is being managed by the owner from outside the market. Okay, in borrowed fund, first of all, there will be debenture. Debenture is the amount of loan. Debenture is the part of loan which is being taken by the company from outsiders. It is just like a paper. It is just like a document, like share. It is mentioned. It is a proof of loan, and in it the face value will be mentioned, and it will be given to those person who has purchased it, and from that company will arrange the capital for the firm. So that is called debenture. Next, loan from the financial bank. Company can take loan from the financial bank, from the other banks, to help it to get the desired capital, and by that capital company can put them into their business. Okay, then loan from commercial bank. There are two types of bank: financial and commercial. Commercial banks like SBI, PNB. If company takes loan from these banks, it will be called as loan from commercial bank. Commercial banks occupy a vital position as they provide fund for different purposes like cash credit, bank overdraft, term loan, purchase and discounting of bills, issue of letters of credit. Okay, these will be given by the commercial bank, and it will be used by the company. Then public deposits. The deposits that are raised by organizing directly from the public are known as public deposits. Company generally invite public deposits for 3 years. The rate of interest offered to the public deposits are usually higher than from the banks. Okay, the acceptance of public deposits is regulated by the RBI. RBI will have the authority to see that. Any person which is interested to depositing money in the organization can do by so filling up a prescribed form. The organization return issue a deposit receipt as acknowledgement to the debt. Public receipt can take care of both medium and short-term financial requirement. It will not help you in the long-term basis. It will give you the short-term loan. Okay. Then trade credit. Trade credit is also a part of borrowed capital or borrowed fund. And after that there is intercorporate deposit. Intercorporate deposit means if other firms have invested, or if we ask money from other firms of the business, and they help us in collecting the capital, that will be called intercorporate deposit. Okay, there are some limitations of this, so it will not be used rapidly or frequently, but it is also the part of the borrowed fund. Okay, so these things were the sources of business finance, and today this chapter has been completed. If you find any type of doubts or any difficulties, and if you have any queries, you can ask. I will help you in all your problems, and till then keep trying to focus on your studies. And if you have guts, and if you have will, so that you can do anything, so start focusing on your studies, and ask me if you have any problem. Till then, bye bye students, we'll meet you in the next video.